You know it's a sign that you have cool neighbors? When you can hold a rally bike race through the hood and everyone comes out to support it. The whole town comes out to watch as these daredevils take to the roads, houses, and walkways to beat a path to victory. The only thing stopping them is yellow tape and the occasional person who accidentally walks in front of them. The real winner is the town who thought it up and approved this wacky race. The other winner is the local dentist.